right, Brendan is opening up Notions. We're gonna see what we got new today and what we've got restocked. You gonna help me, Mary? Ah, we were out of those. We're out of those. Good deal.
We got some Singer needles. More of these. We got these. More Singers. Punches. We got some of our media mats.
All right, we've been out of those.
You know, a bunch more punches. More latches. Here's some pink dots.
All right, just in time for Easter.
Yep. And some rings.
The rings.
We got another little box in here. That all that's in there left is what we got here. Let me see what we got here real fast. Guess I'll use the edge there.
Bet that's
Oh, more
punches.
media mats.
Oh, more media mats? Okay.
Yep. So that's in the
I
first big
love
box.
my medium mat like that. That's what's on my desk when I'm filming, that medium mat.
Alright, so this is just punches and such.
Ooh,
so,
lots of punches in there.
yeah,
Good.
So we'll have those. Box in a box, more than likely.
Yep. Well, at least they do that. Used to, they only put one box and then it would bust open and then we'd have stuff everywhere. Now we get a box in a box usually.
A lot of glue
Ooh,
sticks.
glue sticks. Yay! We was almost out. We was down to our last box of glue sticks.
I think it's all in there except this. Let me see what this is here.
So now y'all can stock up on glue sticks.
Yeah, get them while you can, because as soon as we get them in stock, they go like crazy.
They go so
Here's
fast.
the diagonal punch.
All right.
And
We were out of
I believe
those.
those are the same. Yes.
All right.
And yes.
All right.
All right. So that should do it for this
All
shipment.
right. We'll get this in stock and you guys can go over and purchase it before it's gone again. We'll talk to you later.
See
Bye.
ya.